Hello and welcome to Steve's Backyard Bonsai. It is a beautiful sunny day. Actually, it's the same day as the last two videos I did. But today I want to tackle my Ginkgo Fest USA 2025 tree and get it out of this, well, I don't know what that is. It says fill to here, so I'm going to guess this is an oatmeal container of some sort, and get it into a little plastic bonsai training pot. So let's do that. Ginkgo Fest USA 2025 is the brainchild of Dave Harding from the YouTube channel Dreaming of Bonsai. And what he's dreaming about is how a lot of different people will take care of and to develop trees in however many different ways they can. So what I want to do with this tree is create an upright and maybe get some growth further down on the tree. But first I want to thicken up the trunk. So the best way to do that is to get it into a little bit of a larger pot, sort out the roots, and figure this all out. All right, the soil is just going to come away. And there's a fairly reasonable but not very radial root system. Typical of what sprouted seeds tend to do. It sent up a taproot, which then went back down, and I'll be cutting this. Where will I be cutting this? Well, I'll figure it out as I go along. Let me wash this off and clean up, and we'll come back and work on it. All right, so as you can now see, the white tips on these roots mean that they are active. But if you notice, I do have the start of a radial root system. So if I cut this off here, I'm going to lose all of this, but maybe I will get more radial roots coming from this point. There is a root down at the bottom also. I'm really not sure what to do here, but I do want a radial root system on this. Perhaps I cut this in half now. I'm still going to lose a lot, but if I let these roots develop, and perhaps on the next go-round of repotting, I'll be a little luckier than this. So what do you say? What do you say, Dave Harding? Is that the safe move? I think it is. All right, let me get started. All right, I'm going to get a nice clean cut. And I think I'm going to do it here, which is about halfway up the taproot. I do lose a lot of root growth there, but you take no risks, you get no results. Shortening that, and I'm going to get this planted up. My hope is that I develop more roots that can become radial over time. And I'll be putting it in this pot, which has a built-in screen, but I think I'll put another screen on top of that. And I hope I don't kill this tree. I really do. But Dave, be prepared to send me another one just in case. All right, I don't think I have any choice but to bury this one pretty deep. I'm not going to wire that screen in. So let me put a very short layer of soil on the bottom of this, and then we'll fill it in the rest of the way. I'm going to center it in the pot, fill it up pretty high, leave it in the greenhouse, and give it lots and lots of water. And I'll start to fertilize this in a few weeks. It's standing, and put a little bit more soil on top. This is for stability. So once again, I took a risk, and I'm hoping to get rewards. I did plant some of his ginkgo seeds, so maybe I'll have my own new seedling to mess with. I do have some other ginkgo trees. Hopefully the rabbits didn't kill all of them. I planted 2 in the ground when my daughter got married, and they got decimated. All right, I'll go water this up. Let's take a look at the full tree before it droops. All right, I don't know where the front is, but it's standing straight up in the pot. And once this starts to grow, probably next year, I'm going to cut it back and hopefully get some branching down low. I don't think I will this year. No buds here. There's a leaf scar there and a leaf scar there, but no buds. So that's it on my Ginkgo USA 2025 entry. I got to keep this well watered because I took a lot of the roots off. So thanks for keeping me company in my backyard. Just a quick update on my ginkgo from Ginkgo Fest USA 2025. It's 5 days later and it's still not drooping. So that is an excellent sign. Thank you once again, Dave Harding. And I don't think I killed it.